I want to address the recent approach made by Governor Soludo against the young man that was preaching in the marketplace, where he came and
Um,
told the guy that you should
what are
not
you doing
preach, that
there?
if you preach in a public place, it's a noise pollution, and he's going to be fined 500,000 naira. He even threatened the guy that he would have ordered them to get him arrested because he constituted nuisance. Yes, Governor, we have always appreciated your move towards curtailing crime. As you can watch, ever since you started this move of against the native doctors, the issue of kidnapping and the insecurity has come to a halt, or if I'm saying, has reduced drastically. That shows that something good is happening. But the issue of stopping the young man from preaching based on noise pollution doesn't have any headway. It doesn't have any bearing in trying to fight corruption, trying to fight insecurity. I've never, last time I checked, I've never seen where noise pollution or preaching in the public place constituted insecurity, contributed to insecurity. I've never seen. But if you watch the native doctors you are handling, these are the guys who prepare charm for these guys in the bush, prepare charm for these kidnappers. So it's understood your fight against them. But I discovered that why you made that move was because of continuous comment by the so-called idol worshippers and the traditionalists, who was saying that you are fighting tradition. Hence, you decided to also go for Christianity by stopping the girl from preaching. You are not correct, and that's that one. I also thank God I had a committee of bishop, Catholic bishop, making statement against it. I commend the Catholic House of Bishop to really make that statement, telling you that that is a wrong move. I also expect they can to make same move. I also expect the Anglican House of Bishop in Oka, led by Archbishop Ibezim, to also issue a statement that that is not the right move as far as that particular Anambra state is concerned. You know, you recently said that Anambra is a Christian state because even in America here, California here, I witnessed open air preaching a couple of times. So what I'm going to do this day, I will video most of them to show to the world. I have witnessed open air preaching by these guys, the Mexicans. They see them, they do their open air preaching, not regularly, but once in a while. I've witnessed it in a city called San Jose. I remember when I went there on one of the occasions they were preaching. I've seen it in San Jose about 5 times. Here in California, what I've seen it in places, open air preaching. So if it can happen in America, how much more in Anambra? So don't, because of you want to please everybody or you want to win election, you want to also start fighting a battle you cannot win. You are fighting a wrong battle. You said also that you're going to bring down some fake churches. If you know you are very sure and you have reason to label them fake, go ahead. I support you 100%. How do we know the fake? Those most of these churches that practices some rituals like this, like I remember when Akwa Okoko said something. He said, when these pastors you guys are worshiping, are praising, are calling daddy, that they come to him for charm. So if we can get those kind of pastors, if you identify them, or use Aqua's confession, can you tell me the pastors that have been coming to you to do rituals? I think it's a good move to go get this church closed. 100% supported. I saw one of those native doctors too. A pastor came to do Thanksgiving in his shrine after he must have done things for him. He said, "This is the pastor. He doesn't want to show his face. He came with a cow to do Thanksgiving." In that kind of people, ask this native doctor, let them identify those people, put a close eye on them, have an evidence, bring them down. I support that one. But the issue of preaching in public, the market is already a nuisance of its own. In that market, we see people selling water paper with a megaphone. It didn't stop them. In that market, we see people selling their medicine, traditional medicine. Yeah. They keep noises everywhere. But Nigeria on its own is a noisy country. So talking about now, ordinary blasting of horn. You keep saying, and there's no way any vehicle that will pass without because the Nigerian teach her. So that the Nigeria is a nose polluted country. So telling somebody that he's polluting nose by preaching is out of it. If you want to stop that preaching, stop all other noises. Both the people who honk horn, honk here in America, you don't honk horn easily. You cannot just hear people. You don't want to use one to scare somebody away. If you pull that horn and the person fall away or say that you're threatening me, you're scaring me, they will take charges against you. But it doesn't happen in Nigeria. Even when there is nothing, other than somebody you bought him a car, the next thing po. But he don't do it here. Horn is on holiday in America, in Western world. So don't. That's why in the Western world they will also tell you that if you preach in public place, it's a noise pollution. But even in Western world, they are preaching in public place because the Bible says something. Preach the gospel. Be instant in season and out of season. So you dare not stop the preaching of the gospel. So long as the person is not there to extort money from people, even if he is, it is not your duty to stop him, Mr. Governor. So I don't want you to go out of track in what you are trying to do. Though people have said because you are trying to gain everybody's favor because of second tenure, bro. If you can, because of secretary, I start doing the right thing. I don't give a damn. All we are looking for is the right thing. Get governance running. Enough of using road to campaign in Nigeria. That's old model thing that does not exist other Western world. So if you the things that have been outdated in Western world, you guys are using applying it. There's no way you can stop public preaching that have also been outdated. If you are using outdated something to campaign, so you don't use something that is still outdated too in another country to make it outdated when you have never made things that is outdated us over there outdated. That is the truth. Something that is no longer invoked in abroad should not also be invoked in Nigeria. But unfortunately, what is expired here is what you guys are using over there. That's why they call us junk country. So, Governor Soludo, that one is not a good move. I disagree with you. Thank you and God bless you. My wonderful followers, what is your opinion? Do you think I'm right? Tell me in the comment section. If I'm wrong, tell me in the comment section. Make sure you share this video. Let somebody also hear like you had and follow us on all our social media handle. I remain Joe Vika, just broadcasted for you, this channel you watched. Love you.